So it is mostly same like it is used in earlier in list for strings. So here we can reference any value using key. So when we run a loop, so every element would be referenced from key value. So for stock in stock name print stock name stock. So here, as it is a key, so we have to write key inside brackets and the dictionary name. We can see all the elements is getting printed. The first object is this, second is this, and third is this. So now if we need to print this buy price, suppose we need to print only the buy price, so we have to add additional here. You can see these values are printed. Suppose we need to print name, all these are printed. So here we have used key, so it will go under brackets, and whenever we need to print any of the values, we need to access using key. So like this we have used. Okay, that's it from the dictionaries.